Okay, I'm gonna use 2 shades of concealers. The darker shade is for like the blemishes and stuff, and then the lighter shade is for your under eye circles, and for like highlight. Okay, I'm gonna take the darker shade, and then just put it just put it on her blemishes. Everybody has blemishes, nobody's perfect. And the lighter shade under her eyes and on like the bridge of her nose and her chin. And then you just blend it in. I know she looks like super pale, but now we're gonna mattify her face. We're gonna put a little powder on her face. Okay, now we're gonna use the bronzer. This is gonna make it all better and not that pale. We're gonna put a little color on her face. To like define her cheekbones, we're gonna put a little bit on like under her cheekbone area. Okay, and we're also contouring her nose to like make it thinner or look thinner. Okay, and now we want that glow in her face, and we're gonna put a little highlighter on like her cheeks. Okay, now we're gonna do her eyebrows, and that also always depends on like the girl's eyebrow shape, so I can't really teach you guys how to do that, but you just kind of like go with the shape and you just fill it in. Yeah. And before filling it in, just like brush through the eyebrow so everything's in place. Yeah. So now for the eyes, I'm gonna start with like an eyelid primer. It's like a creamy thing, and you just put it on her lid so the eyeshadow stays on the whole day. Okay, now for the eyeshadow, we're gonna take the Make It 3 palette and just like start with any transition shade in the crease. And I'm gonna take like a blending brush, and I'm gonna take Nooner, it's this color right here, and I'm just gonna put it in her crease. Okay, and now over like the shimmery thing that we put first, we're just gonna put like a brown or this on top, and like mix it together. Okay, so now we're gonna go back to the highlighter and put it like under her brows to like highlight and make them pop, and also in her inner corner, like over here. So she seems like more awake. Now we're gonna use eyeliner, and you guys know what an eyeliner is. It's like a wing, like a black wing. Yeah. It's like curl her eyelashes so they appear longer. Okay, now we're gonna put mascara on her face. I mean on her eyelashes. Okay, now we're gonna put on some lip liner for the lips, and that's gonna like prep for the lipstick afterwards. Okay, now we're gonna go to the lipstick. It's a little dark, but I'm just gonna like blend it in with the red.
Okay, so that was the first part, and then the second part is me going to do my hair, but I'm just going to straighten it because I like the way my hair looks when it's straightened, but that's it. Okay, so I decided to like somewhat curl my hair, I guess. Like, it's still kind of messy, but I like my hair like that. So after the makeup and the hair, this is the complete look. It doesn't look that pale on like in real life. It's just on the camera. So we're gonna like blend in some pictures afterwards. Bye. Thanks for watching.
Bye. Hi, my name is Laura, and this is Yasmin. And okay, now we have like this eyelash curler. And
Wait, look at my dog. He was chasing a bird. Sorry.
And
oh, wait.